beautiful friends, how are you all doing? Please watch this video multiple times before making your first attempt. If you don't like an explainer like this, don't worry. At the end of the video, I'm going to let it play without talking. Don't forget, I've got a Telegram group and channel. If you fancy joining, the links are going to be in the description. And finally, don't forget to subscribe. And most importantly, turn on the notification bell, please. Now, what I'm going to do is to move this to the left. Okay, after that, I'm going to drag this up. Let's start from there. Okay, so that goes to the left, move that up. I'm gonna push this towards this direction, move this up so this can come this way, bring this down. I'm gonna return this. Okay, and the reason is so this can go up, then return this, bring these two down like that, push it to the right, move those two up, and then after that push the key in, move that up, return the two green to the left like that, push that up, move this way, bring this long one down, and the key is gonna pass. Now let's play without talking.